this video I am sculpting an African elephant and will show you how I made it from the wire armature to the air dry clay overlay to capture the skin texture. Join me for a short escape from the increasingly chaotic world out there. Let peace and calm return to you and enjoy the artistic process with me. I bought a lamp and lampshade at a thrift store a week ago and want to turn that into a light feature by mounting an elephant sculpture with the lamp on a wooden base to change it from very simple to a work of art. I start by making a few drawings, referencing photos of real elephants to help me visualize the three-dimensional shape. Elephants are the largest living land animals and are recognized for their high intelligence, complex social structures, and distinct physical features like trunks, tusks, and massive ears. The African elephants are somewhat larger than the Asian elephants, and I would say most people in non-Asian countries would only have seen an elephant in real life either in a zoo or in a circus or on safari. They are fascinating animals, and I love their skin. It's covered in wrinkles and cracks. It looks so rugged but is remarkably sensitive. I am making an armature from wire. This will support the structure, and it is super important to get the proportions correct. Once the clay goes on to the armature, it is near impossible to rectify any issues. To cover the armature, I stick masking tape to the wire form, then glue strips of newspaper over it. I flesh out the legs with bits of egg carton and cover these with masking tape and newspaper strips. Later on, you will see I form the ears on two seashells and build them up with layers of paper glued together. Once dry, they pop off the shells and I can glue them to the elephant's head. By covering the elephant sculpture in air-dry clay, I am able to give it that rugged, wrinkled look that is so typical of the elephant's skin texture. In 2024, Zimbabwe has okayed the culling of 200 elephants due to unprecedented drought and food insecurity for humans. The elephants' meat was distributed to hungry people. In spite of their majesty and intelligence, even elephants are not assured of seeing tomorrow. At the intro to the video, I expressed the hope that someone can escape the chaotic world out there by watching my video. In a sense, any YouTube video can let you escape into another world, a place unfamiliar to your own experience, somewhere that's beautiful, some place you can stop at to see something hatching and come into being, perhaps be part of a wonderful adventure. It's a bit like Pan's Labyrinth or Spirited Away or the Chronicles of Narnia. I guess in all of us there is a spark of desire to live a beautiful life, a secret yearning to walk back into a magical place like the Garden of Eden and see all the trees together bearing their special fruit, sensing the light there that cannot be found anywhere else. My wife Hesty is happy to paint the elephant for me. Feel free to have a look at her YouTube site to see her video of this process. In my next video, I hope to complete this project by preparing a wooden base and mounting the lamp and the elephant on it. Keep a lookout for the next video, and I will see you there.